So here we are at the top of the community. Okay, you can see the old graveyard. Okay, and now we're going to go down the alley and then out. This is the back end of the community here. Take a picture here.
Yeah. Martha's house. She loved her house.
Got it?
Yep.
Yep, okay. So here we are driving on out. Speed hump still around.
Yes, we just went over a bump.
Gonna hit another bump. Looks like they're gonna try and protect this tree down here on the end.
Makes me sad
So,
they're not protecting all of them.
Record the cat.
Yeah.
That's basically, well, next to where the basketball court was.
Oh, that's where that asphalt came from, I bet.
Could be. I don't think they would have moved it up there. Okay.
Well, there we go. Goodbye, men can walk.
Goodbye, alley.
It's the baseball field.
Bye, church walk.
Bye, church walk.
Bye now.
They're only saving 2 trees?
Well, they might say more. We don't know.
Okay, shall I stop recording?
We can do one more of the community house here.
Okay, here's... Goodbye, community house.
Okay, other side. Other side.
Goodbye, Franklin Walk.
Okay, that's it.
Hello, Cherry Street.